Welcome to the Think Fast, Act Fast activity. In order to better understand how crashes occur, you're going to explore human reaction time. So in this activity, you're going to measure how well your muscular system and your nervous system work together to produce human reaction time. So let's take a look at the supplies. You're going to have a ruler that has centimeters and millimeters in it. You're going to have a calculator with a square root function, and your activity sheet that has a data table. Also, for a little fun, you can have a dollar bill handy, but you also need a volunteer. Can I have a volunteer?
Sure, I will.
All right, so test your reaction time. We're going to see if you can catch this dollar bill. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. Keep your fingers as far apart as the dollar is wide, all right, to start off with. I'm going to put President Washington right in the middle, and then when I drop it, you try to catch it, okay?
Okay.
Ooh, very close.
I almost had it.
Almost had it. So now what we're going to do is substitute the ruler for the dollar bill. Same idea. You're going to put your fingers, but this time the width of the ruler. Instead of starting halfway down, I'm going to start all the way to the top so that 0 is right at the top of your fingers, okay? So now, as I drop it, you're going to try to catch it as quickly as you can. Ready? Good. This is the measurement we want right here. So let's see how much of the ruler fell through before she caught it. We're right at 16 centimeters and about 5 millimeters. Okay, so write that, 16.5 centimeters. So make sure when you do your measurement that you are measuring to the nearest millimeter. Have fun.